Yo, Prof here, and today we've got some Pokemon pulls. Not your normal ones, you might already notice if you watched the previous video, but this is one of 3 boxes that I got off of Amazon. This is the shiny Tapu Koko GX box. I'd actually not seen this for sale anywhere else, so it was kind of cool when it came up on Amazon Warehouse. You never know with those if they're going to be legit if you haven't caught some of my previous videos. Sometimes people open them up, don't get something they like, and repack it. Or they might even reseal the packs or put weight packs in, stuff like that. Usually if the box is damaged, kind of like it is here, and there's a big ole dinger on the corner and on the back, a lot of times that means that it's probably legit. We'll have to see when we get it open though. And what the reasoning is some people actually collect the actual boxes themselves unopened. Not saying that that's the wrong thing to do, it's just, and then if they get something beat up like this, they're not going to want it as part of their collection. I, however, since we do Pokemon pulls on this channel, don't care. We care about pulling what's inside, out of the box. So, let me get a quick snap for the old records and social media. And we're going to try this one with just the lights, the top light off, and just the lights facing. We've been doing a little bit of testing to see if the additional light is more important, or did the light actually head it at, because there's a lot of light that can come down because it's a workbench. I have a nice big light up there, but I think it actually makes it harder to see the cards, that we've got right here. So, I'm going to chop this guy open. Let's use the other side. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for, I think I've seen where like flat panels where the whole panel diffuses the light. I'm looking for some of those that are really light that I can mount on like bendy flexible arms for this area over here. Just for really nice flat illuminated lighting here. Alright, so shiny Tapu Koko GX. Oh, we didn't go over what's supposed to come in there. Alright, here you go. That there is what's supposed to come in here, which is a foil promo card featuring shiny Tapu Koko GX, one oversized card featuring shiny Tapu Koko GX, and 4 boosters and an online card. So, first things first. Let's see what's all here. No code card on the back. Oh, bro. Whoa, I just took you guys out. Are you guys alright? You guys alright, huh? Oh, jeez. So this is why I need this thing clamped to the desk, so I can't just, give you guys the old 1-2 accidentally like that. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's actually held in by 4 sides. You never see that. Alright, well, it's actually a bit beat up because of how tight they clamped it in there. You see that? It's like, and I don't know what this box has gone through, but they've definitely gotten better and better over time. Yeah, that's still sealed. All these are still sealed. So this looks like a Sun and Moon Guardian Rising box specifically. Then you got Sun and Moon and Steam Siege. Oh, if you guys are interested in this code card, hit me up on Twitter at @theprophecist, and I will gladly give it to you. Just gotta tell me what video this was from, or like say you want a Sun and Moon pack from episode 26 or something. You know what I mean, or whatever episode this is. I'll gladly give it up to you. Be aware you are going to have to be following me, though, because I can't DM you otherwise. Every now and then I'll just do giveaways on Twitter as well. So yeah, Tapu Koko GX. The GX are the biggest cards, I believe. Yeah, I have VMAXs that are tiny compared to the GX cards. I don't get what the reasoning is behind that. And let's get started. And I should note, I really don't know how Tapu Koko is supposed to normally look. So I don't know if this GX card looks awesome or bad by comparison. Let's start cracking open these two Guardians Rising first here. Oh, that's a clean pull. I think it's a greenback, but not as much scent there as there can be. Yep, greenback. Sun and Moon should still be 4 cards, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go Fire. Psychic. Alright. Yeah, we got Slowbro. See, Slowbro's got it on his tail. If you watched the previous video, I was confused why he had it on his arm. His thing. But I guess it's because he was Galarian. Watchdog. Never seen that one before. Rescue Stretcher. Cast Form. Tentacool, looking pretty cool. Clefairy, I think I might have a reverse hollow one of those. It's a dope card though. Litwick is a really nice card. Just so dark. Gligar. Reverse hollow Jangmo-O. I'll take it. I like the dragons, especially when they're hollow. And a Probe Pass. Hollow. Or rare, not hollow. Do I have a stack of these right now? Negatory, we gotta start a new stack. Pretty soon I gotta start putting cards away again. We're back to yellow main sleeves. Once I get down to about a quarter, I'll probably reserve them for the ones I write on. Just because I was able to get some more off Amazon. Oh, I gotta cut my nails. I just tore that right the fucking half. Greenback. Are there even whitebacks in Guardians Rising? I don't know. I don't think I've opened enough of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go Fire. Fighting. Pretty close, I guess. I like this card. Alomomola. Mariani. Fletchinder. That's a really cool Fletchinder. Be cool as a hollow there. We have Patrat, Snorunt, Murkrow, Salandit, Rockruff. Ooh, that's pretty cool for a reverse hollow right there. Oricorio. Really lines up well. And a Wishcash. I've been my buttocks has been whipped by these because of the water pulse. Now asleep, 60 damage. And then Landslide for one more. Like this, that's like crazy. Been dominated by a Wishcash. Had to combat a bit of overheating since we did 2 whole videos actually without it. Seems to be the brighter it is, so like maybe if I get some brighter lights for aiming this way, we won't have this issue. Or when we have the top one on, the ISO is as low as it can go. And it seems to last longer then, not overheat as much. If you guys know why that might be, like, I mean, I know like cause and result, but to me, does the sensor have to work harder at a higher ISO? You know what I mean? Like, that sort of a thing. Oh, we got a whiteback, Sun and Moon. Now this is the one that just a bit ago I got a whiteback on and they gave me 2 energies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now screw it, electric fairy. Okay, not bad. But yeah, so if you have ideas as to why that is, also I need something probably about twice as bright, and I've got 2 big 24 watt hot lights blowing down here. So I need either 4 of those to light this up from this angle, or ideally 2 really diffused lights that are equivalent to that bright. So please throw some suggestions. We got Wishy Washy. Oh, dude, look at how plump he is. Alolan Raticate. He's definitely had his fair share of food. EXP Share, Surskit, Formantis, Morilol, pack of the grass type, Sandygast, Dratini, Always like my dragon types. And a reverse hollow Zubat, followed by a Riombi. I think I already have this actually. I've opened not that many of these packs. I think I already have this Riombi. It's a cool card, but hey, at least I didn't get dual energies. Apparently they think that's a cool thing to do. If I do have any duplicates, guys, at some point I need to put something together. Maybe tack it at the end of a video or something. I'll go have like an updated binder of dupes that are available. Alright, and lastly, we have XY Steam Siege. And this is the last one in the shiny Tapu Koko box. I'm going to do 3 for this because I don't remember if it's 3 or 4 for X and Y. And then XY Evolutions, it doesn't, because energy isn't always even in there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yep, so I don't know what that was, but so yeah, X and Y is, there's not always an energy in there, so, or it's not in the same spot. So, Greedy Dice, Drift Bloom, that's kind of a cool art for that. Fletchinder, meh, for the art-wise. C-Dot, Clauncher, Bergamite, Chimchar. That's actually probably the best Yanma I've seen. Reverse Hollow Shieldon. Actually pretty cool with the metal marks there from being a steel type. And we have a Primeape Rare Non-Hollow. Alright, let's take a look here. What we have, and I'll give you guys a example. Okay, here is how it looks with the two Otlights facing, I'd say, 45-degree angle down at the cards. I'd like to have an almost 90-degree angle if it's diffused enough. But there's two. Okay, now we pop the top light on, give it a little bit to warm up. It is LED though, so it shouldn't take that long. That's 4 CCFL LED replacements diffused through like your standard like hatch pattern you see. And I think it's harder to see the card, even though there's more light. I might be wrong, let me know, because in some ways we're also overexposed right now. Let me know what you think and what suggestions you have for this. Alright, we have the Tapu Koko GX, shiny Tapu Koko GX, even though it doesn't say shiny anywhere on there. It is a shiny one. Reverse Hollow Jangmo. Probably the one I like the most out here is the Oricorio Reverse Hollow. It very much matches the artwork. Reverse Hollow Zubat. Ribombee. Full Hollow. Kind of a cool Full Hollow. It is a fairy type, but I think I already have that one. This is a really good looking Reverse Hollow. Steel really goes good with it, with a little shine to it. Does real well actually. Well, if you guys are enjoyed this and interested in any more, check out the previous video. Subscribe, because the next video will be another box that we got off of Amazon Warehouse. We hope to do better with. I haven't been kind of striking out both times, but we got some interesting cards. Just no big pulls yet with these, sadly. But there's always next time, so come check us out then. See ya.